Are you interested in providing customers with a great shopping experience across devices? Take advantage of the world's best omni-channel solutions brought by BigCommerce. BigCommerce and Feedonomics have redefined omni-channel commerce to reach more people and drive more sales, converting across leading marketplaces, social commerce, and advertising channels. You can boost discoverability with feed optimization and syndication tailored to each channel, save time with unified feed and order management, and get dedicated support with feed experts. With BigCommerce, you can harness the power of omni-channel e-commerce and reach the right shoppers to unlock your digital growth. You can strengthen brand engagement on leading marketplaces and social commerce channels across multiple storefronts and stand out from the competition. Plus, with multi-storefront technology, you can easily create and manage multiple brands, segments, or regions from one BigCommerce dashboard. Besides, you can sync inventory and avoid overselling no matter where you make a sale using BigCommerce's robust APIs. BigCommerce works with several point-of-sale partners like Zettle, Clover, Square, Heartland Retail, and others to sync brick-and-mortar sales, inventory, and orders to your backend. If you are interested in acquiring BigCommerce services, you can get a special deal by clicking on the link in the description below. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more exciting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.